Hello all, hi, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a very crucial topic. That topic name is if grammar stop it, people from speaking English, no native speaker would speak fluently. So don't worry about your grammar fairness, because grammar fairness equals silence, silence equals fluency. So don't worry about your grammar. Like most learner no grammar, most learner don't speak, because grammar is speak is better than grammar, because they think before is speaking. So today this lesson I will teach you how English is actually spoken, not how it is tested. So the core idea very important. Like English future is based on thought, not tense name. Like ask only one question. Ask only one question. When did I decided? That's it. The three future thinking intense. Like pattern will, pattern pattern will, decision made now. Like I am deciding right now. Don't think. This is called a future simple. Like real situation. Phone rings, I will answer it. And friends need help, I will help you. And problem appears, like I will solve it. Natural daily sentences like I will call you, I will do it later, I will explain everything, don't worry, I will manage, I will try again tomorrow. If the sentences comes suddenly, use will. Pattern number 2, going to plan already decided. Plan already decided. Think like this: I decided before this moment. Real life example, like life goal: I'm going to learn English, or I'm going to learn English. Business plan: I'm going to work online. Health plan: I am going to exercise daily. And natural daily sentence like I'm going to wake up early, or she's going to send her off, or we're going to start a new YouTube channel, he is going to buy a laptop, I'm going to practice speaking every day. Golden rule, like if the plan already exists, you can use going to. Pattern 3, then continuous, time is fixed. Time like this, time is already decided. Like appointment, I'm meeting the doctor tomorrow. An event, we are launching the video next week. Arrangement, she is going the company on Monday. Natural daily sentences like I'm traveling next Friday, we are watching a movie tonight, and he is solving I'm attending a class tomorrow, he is leaving in the evening, they are coming at 7 p.m. And same idea, different feeling, powerful section. Now like thought, decision now, I will start. Plan decided, I'm going to start, and fixed time, I'm starting tomorrow. All are correct, all are natural, so by confidence, not fair. And poetry, real life English is spoken future sentence like I will message you later, I will go tomorrow, I will call you later, I will meet you tomorrow, and I will take care of it. She's going to open the shop. We are going to go together. We are going to learn English. Like I will see you soon. Like they are traveling this weekend. I'm going to improve my English. This is called as like a example and common mistake that don't matter. Like I will go tomorrow. I'm going tomorrow. Like meaning is clear. Listen and understand. Communication is successful. Speaking success equal grammar perfection. Daily speaking routine for your future tense, like 5 minute rules. Think about tomorrow. Speak 5 sentences aloud, no writing, no stopping, no correction. You just speak. Example: I will wake up early in the morning. I'm going to start English. I'm meeting my friend. I will sleep early, and I'm going to improve my life about learning English. And You don't need you don't learn English to pass exam. You learn English to express your life. Speak fast, correct letter, and confidence will always win, because confidence and consistency will always win. Thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. See you soon with another content.